right, so here's a quick one for the X-acto Samurais, the vinyl shop. So I'm doing this one just for you guys. Aw, you're getting special attention. So Desert Hills Outlets, we're redoing their parking structure signs. So you are still going to be seeing these boys. These are going to be fabricated cabinets, but we're still kind of working on that. That's me. But you're going to get full-size cabinets that will have vinyl. You'll have one of those and one of those. But they also have 6 panels that say do not enter, and they have 6 panels that have this verbiage, clearance, enter. Those are throughout. Those exist. Those are already on like frames. So we're going to skin those. So the issue is that our router doesn't go 12 feet. So I talked to Jonathan and we talked about breaking these up into smaller chunks. So all I'm doing is just kind of giving you a layout of like, you know, you're going to get a bunch of panels. You're going to get technically 6 and 6, but you're going to get a bunch of 080 white panels dumped on you. And it's like, well, what's going on? So this is what's up. So everything that has DNE on it is do not enter. So the idea is we broke it up into a kind of center chunk. So you can put the words do not enter on the center chunk. And then you will get, these are the same, these are identical, the 2 end pieces. And you're going to take 6 of those that say D&E and you'll justify it with the logo here. And then you'll take 6 of these and you'll justify it on the opposite side. And then of course the idea is that install will go out there and bonk these together and attach them to the existing frames, and we're laughing. So also we talked to Jonathan and I put a 1-inch bend. So you'll have a 90-degree flange on the backside basically. So that way it hooks on there. And then that way they don't have to rely on just double stick tape and silicone to hold it in place. These won't go anywhere with that flange. So that's how that works. So D&E, everything with D&E on it says do not enter. And then you'll get 6 panels, but you actually get 12 of these because they are the same. This one's just sliced in half. And you can choose to take 6 of these that say CLR enter. That's clearance and enter. So you will make 6 of them look like this with the justification, all that. And then you'll take 6 of these and do clearance on this side. And of course, I'm not sending any of these files. Get your normal info from Art or whoever sends you all this stuff. I'm just giving you the basic overview. So like I said, you're just going to get a bunch of painted 080 panels and you're going to be like, what am I doing? So anyway, that's the idea. The only challenge is make sure, because we want the seams to be as minimal as possible, is I don't know if this stripe is going to be vinyl or painted, but make sure that that looks sexy. So, you know, you want to bonk these. And if you're masking, let's make sure it's all one nice piece. Or if you're doing vinyl, same thing. Just make sure that looks super sexy. But other than that, this should be pretty straightforward for you guys. You just got to do that. You got to do this, got to do that. So that's all. I just thought I'd give you a heads up on that. Yeah, like I said, that way you're not like, what am I doing? And then I think this is between me and Jonathan. So I don't know if, you know, anyone else would be able to answer your question of like, why do I have 8,000 panels when I'm only supposed to have 12 footers? So anyway, that's it. And then, like I said, the boxes will be coming your way as well. Once they get fabricated, these are fabricated actual boxes. So you'll get those. Anyway, that's it, man. But as always, good luck. We're all counting on you.
Check the